Hi guys, look at the sun. It is a very bright day, warm and sunny. So I'm going for a walk. Yeah, I need to walk. As you get older, it is good to walk. Regardless of your age, little activities. And for a week I didn't walk, but today actually feels good and great. Still, I'm wearing a jacket. You know, I go around this place, safe place to walk, and they have sideways, pathways, like all sidewalk. So, you know, you don't, I mean, in case if you fall, you can get up, but not in the road. It is not that safe. See, do you walk? You have to walk with me, okay? Don't watch the video just like that. But you know what? Walk with me. Walk, walk, walk. Look at the trees. Look at the trees, guys. And the sky. How beautiful it is. The trees are getting pinky, red. Soon there will be flowers and birds and everything. And yep, I go straight up to that, then turn right and left and around it. I keep coming, keep coming. I can take you for a walk, but you know, so I'm showing you how to walk, okay? Try to walk. Walk, walk, walk. Also, I'm gonna show you some pictures how to do stretches with the pictures, but one day I will demonstrate. Also, yeah. Okay? See you in next video. Exercise is good for you. It circulates your blood. It helps you to build strong bones and your muscles get strong. If you have pain or something, it will go away. Long walk helps you. So stay tuned with great health, okay? Thank you. Thanks for watching. Look at the sun. Thank you guys. Look at the trees. I'm heading that way too. So see you in next video. Hi guys. I'm just showing you some, the methods to exercise. How you can